If I walked up to you right now and asked you exactly what you want in your sales career, in your relationships, in your life, I will bet you couldn't be specific and answer that within 3 seconds. The problem is you don't need motivation. You probably need more clarity on exactly what you want to accomplish. A few years ago, I told my sales manager that I wanted to be a fantastic speaker. And he said, well, Neil, all you need to do is decide what type of speaker you want to be, become a student of the sport, watch the best speakers you can find, copy what works for you, use your personality, and then practice. Get on stage as often as you can or in front of people and share your presentation. And he was exactly right. And to him I say, thank you, Pat. That was really awesome. A year later I said, I want to be #1 in sales for this company out of 37 sales reps. And he helped me create a plan to accomplish that. You see, the 2 examples I just gave you, I knew exactly what I wanted. You could have woken me up at midnight and said, Neil, what do you want? And I could tell you just like that within 3 seconds. So the problem I see with most salespeople is they haven't decided exactly what they want. Oh, I want to become really good. Really? Really good is way too vague. What do you want exactly? How much? By when? Is it measurable? Because if it's not measurable, you're running a race without a finish line. It's like spinning your wheels in the mud. Your foot is to the metal, the pedal's to the metal, but you're not getting anywhere. So let's fix that. We have a few ideas that'll help you get from where you are now to where you want to be.